All right, hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about getting engagement with quotes, and specifically with other types of formatting like italics, centering, bolding, different things. Okay, so in this, I'm going to mix up a few, but we're going to go with more of like a quote. So you'll notice, we'll go down to the section we already kind of formatted here a little bit. There we go. So we've got the text broken up. We've got single lines. This one probably needs to be broken up a little bit more. So that's much better. We have our header threes in there, left aligned. And I'm going to keep coming down. Let's see, end of the sentence. Wow, that's a very long. Oh, no, there we go. That's a little better. We do want to speak in short sentences. If I haven't said that already, this is too long. That looks like a whole paragraph. People are going to have a hard time processing all of that. Now, here, we're talking about what private schools need to know about SEO. And okay, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. If I want to add a little interest and intrigue here, I'm going to come right here. Or maybe even at the end. Of course, I'm going to read it in real life, but I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do a quote there. And I'm going to say, if your private school isn't using SEO, how about this, current SEO techniques, you're missing potential, P-O-T-E, potential students. How about this? Potential families that are looking for you every month, all caps. Guaranteed, Guaranteed. And we're going to shout it. And I'm going to center it. Okay. So again, we're changing up the formatting because now it's like, well, hold on a second. It kind of breaks their brain. They're reading, their brain's getting used to normal. Everything's left aligned. And then it's, oh, this is centered. What's that? But we're going to pump it up even more than that. We're going to center it and we're going to italicize it here. Okay. So you want to write not formally like we learn in school. You want to write the way it feels. Okay. So every month, that's not you're missing potential families. Bold. Okay. Now there is a lot there. And what am I going to do? I'm going to add this underneath. Brett Henderson. Oh my gosh, they're quoting a marketer who knows what he's talking about, supposedly. Henderson. Okay. They're going to look at yeah, they're going to go to the bottom. Be like, oh, Brett wrote this. Oh, okay. That makes sense. He's just quoting himself. Fine. That's totally fine. Okay. So now we've kind of mixed it up. We've got a quote now in the article. Now I want to make sure this flows with the content right. This is another way to re-engage that intention. Use the italics, use the quote, use the center, and you can just do this with things that just feel like they need to be centered. Quotes are the obvious one. Bible verses, I'll use this type of formatting with, because we obviously want to make that the center focal point. So any questions about this strategy for increasing reader engagement before we move on, team?
Not actually questions, but with those long sentences, they're not good at all for SEO. And Yoast SEO won't let us leave them there. Never.
Very good.
Or any kind of SEO tool. They will want us to shorten them.
Yes, they will. Very good. Thank you. All right. We'll see you in the next video.